Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock or set up the alarm clock on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and to do it, tap on it. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon, and once you find the alarm icon, tap on it to enter the alarm menu. And here we can set the alarm or set up the alarm by tapping on Add Alarm. And now we can swipe up and down on the hour list to set the hour on which the alarm should go off. So set the hour to something you like, then tap Next. Here we can set the minutes, then tap Next. And right here we can select the days on which the alarm should repeat. And here we have a list of days. You can leave them unchecked and the alarm will go off only once and it won't repeat. But you can also check specific days, for example, Monday and let's say Wednesday. And when you tap on OK, the alarm will go off on every Monday and Wednesday. And you can also select every day if you like to, depending on what you prefer. You can also have multiple alarms. So if you tap on Alarm, let's set it up like this. You will have multiple alarms. You can also turn them on and off by tapping on the switch. You can edit them by tapping on the alarm itself. And here we can change the time, the repeat option, and you can also remove the alarm. So you can tap on the delete button and the alarm will be removed. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.